are some tips to best care for your feet? You mentioned potentially going to a place that gives you either on a treadmill, they look at your running to help maybe customize shoe, but anything.
Basically, I can tell you in my practice, and doing this 14 years or so, we do a lot of sports injury, which I tend to really enjoy, trying to keep myself in shape at some point. Basically, we'll get folks come in with a bag full of shoes, literally a bag, 5, 10 varieties, and they'll say, how's this look? Is this good for me? Is that good for me? And
they bring in the whole shoe
closet?
Oh
my God, yeah. And you have a 15-minute appointment. You got a bag of shoes this big. You're like, hold on, let me stretch out here a little bit. You have to get back. So, we go through, part of the fun part is that every person's an individual. Every foot type, even if it's a flat foot or a high arch, basically the person's individual. Body habitus, how much they weigh, what they do beyond the sports industry. If they're somewhere they're more sedentary, but if they're a chef and they work out, they're on their feet all the time. They're a cop and they work out, they tend to be on their feet all the time. So I basically look at their foot type, their motion, and to basically recommend 2 or 3 types of shoes so they're not enamored with 14 different varieties. And then you go there with a list. I'll give them a little script. I'll say, try the Brooks, try the Asics, try the the Brooks Ghost. And when they go to the store, then they're kind of led in the right direction. And then you can use the salesperson to kind of help. Because a lot of these folks now are specializing in trying to cater more to the folks that are not just your recreational athletes, but people that are going to do this, they're running half marathons, full marathons. I'm seeing this more and more now too, which is great for us. It keeps us busy. But our job is designed to put a tire on your foot that's going to run the machine. And that's our job, to make recommendations along those lines.